They bring your beer, they mix your cocktails, and they even serve your burgers. Robots could soon be your restaurant chef and waiter. While other waitstaff appreciate the robot help,
Er gibt nämlich keine Widerworte und er kann auch nicht meckern.
and companies already see their economic potential, the question is, would you like to be served like this? Robots are ready to take their position in both kitchens and service. During times of major labor shortages in hospitality, many Western countries are filling gaps. Machines have some other advantages to humans. They have naturally robotic, unobtrusive, and hygienic qualities to impress anyone. Business owners think they can keep the show running in any circumstances.
Also, this is the only way you can actually offer a completely contactless and safer experience to consumers. So God forbid next time there is a pandemic, you can maintain the business continuity. You can keep offering food service without shutting down.
During the Winter Olympics in China, the main media center had chefs who served hungry journalists. Here, more than half of the cooking stations were manned by robots as a means to minimize human interaction. In the last 5 years, Germany has installed robots worth more than 260 million euros. It's the third biggest in its expenditure, after China and the US. The robots can now be seen in bars and cafes. Their improved precision has made them capable for the job.
Also ich finde ihn eigentlich ganz angenehm, er gibt nämlich keine Widerworte und er kann auch nicht meckern. Nein, es nimmt uns schon wirklich sehr, sehr viel ab. Und ich finde, also klar, ziehen wir auch noch unsere Learnings da draus. Und natürlich muss im Grunde die beiden neuen Kollegen, es sind ja 2 Jahre, im Grunde 2 Kollegen, müssen sich auch noch ein bisschen auf uns einstellen. Aber ich denke, für die Zukunft wird er uns sehr, sehr viel abnehmen können.
Culinary robots have become an essential part of the food industry. Don't be surprised if one day you ask for a burger and a robot serves your order.
Say in the food processing industry, for interlogistics tasks, so for moving items from one place to another, for picking in places, etc. But also in the farm, they can work together with the farmers as robotic farmers for pruning, for sorting, for harvesting fruit and vegetables.
The R&D is still on, and they are improving steadily. Would you enjoy a cold beer off this robot dog? Let us know.